Oh, shit. I know you swear, you idiot. Why would you do that? Hey, guys. I don't know if this will make it to YouTube, but if it does, then hi. How are you guys? Probably won't, though. Might actually. I don't know. It depends on my mood. Oh, God. Oh, no. We're gonna get stuck. No. Please. No. The truck moves, though. Oh, wow, that's crap. Okay. Well, how far on the leaderboard did we get? We're 89th. And see, these guys have all got, oh, this guy has a Drover Buffalo. So these guys have, like, the Drover, the Buck Special, the Custom, and all these, like, whatevers. Oh, there's a General Beefcake up here. A Honden Model H. Honden, dude. Honden's my beefcake. It goes my beefcake. I don't know why I say it like that. It just kind of, beefcake kind of seems, where was the beefcake? Where is the beefcake? Beefcake. Oh, there's 2 beefcakes. And then there's another beefcake. Yeah. Oh, there's me, Mental White Kid. And, your mom didn't make that for your beefcake. Anyway, there I am, Mental White Kid. Huh. I know for those stuff. Oh, should probably turn down the volume if this is a video for YouTube. Huh? You know? Hopefully I was loud enough to make my beefcake sound. I'm just kidding. I wanna do aftermarket bumpers on this. Cause like this thing looks sick with all the aftermarket stuff, but at the same time I kind of just want to keep it mildly built like that. Anyway, today we're gonna be building another vehicle. I know, wow, not like I have 10 trillion already. So weird how that works. I want to get this, but at the same time I don't. Oh, my neck. My neck is okay, I promise. Excuse me. You know what? I think... oh, this is a cool color for this. You know what? We're gonna build a beefcake 6x6, just in a different color. Yeah, there we go. Red beefcake 6x6. Heck yeah, dog. Yeah, we'll do the aftermarket bumper. Do I want a roll bar? Not right now. That's a good enough lift. There we go. Let's see, do I want to paint it all black? I mean, not gonna lie, it looks pretty good black. What if I make the rims just yellow, though? Just black truck, yellow rims. I mean, that'd be pretty cool. What about tail rims? I mean, that ain't look bad. Yeah, we're gonna do this. This looks awesome. Alright, now we're gonna take it to mud pit. Just fling my hair at the screen. I hope you love all that ASMR. Oh yeah, the game finally loaded in. There we go. Gotta listen to a good minute of me flopping my hair back and forth. Alright, this one part of the deep is mud. This one part of the pit is really deep. I was trying to avoid it, not actually. But whoo. Woohoo! This thing flew, man. Climb over that crate, it'll climb over that crate. Just give it a minute. Wait, is that engine a different color? No, it's the same color. The engine only has like 3 exhaust manifolds coming from it, so it looks like it only has 3 exhaust manifolds coming from it. But I haven't seen another angle. So until then, though, oh my god, we jacked up this truck. This thing got beat up. My beefcake got messed up, guys. This game is really cool. The only thing I don't, well, 2 things, okay? The only, one thing I don't like is these maps, you do have to buy them. I feel like you should be able to unlock these. So, like, after you do a certain amount of missions, you can unlock them. Dang, this thing's messed up. You know what I mean? Or, like, if, I don't know, just something like you can unlock them a certain way. Or if it's like if you buy a certain vehicle, then you can unlock these maps. Or just something like cool like that. Instead of having to buy them using real money. And then second of all, and then second off, I just destroyed my truck. What was I gonna say? I don't know what I was gonna say. I was gonna say something. No clue what it is now. Oh, I wish you could change the weather in the free roam on the farm. I wish you could change the free roam weather to like snow or like rainy, but instead it's just stuck on normal sunshine. Oh, that's not what I wanted. Oh, come on, you can crawl up that. Don't give me this crap. Boy. Is it getting hung up on the... What's it getting hung up on? I got diff locks for this thing, right? Yeah. I think so. Oh, it's getting hung up on the axle, you idiot. You stupid. Are you dumb, stupid, or dumb? Clearly both. Okay, never mind. Oh, God. Okay, okay. Oh, my God. Truck is freaking out. Oh, yeah, that's another thing. Is if you hold down the pedal and steer a certain way and your truck flips over, the truck's gonna flip out. It's amazing. Only sometimes. Oh, wow, we sent this boy. Oh. Yeah, I think we sent it a little bit too hard this time around. Damn it, Billy, I told you I only go 20 miles an hour, not 20 trillion. Still having lots of fun. Man, this video is already 9 minutes long. That's okay, I still have a little bit of time. This thing's still got power somehow. Ooh. Okay. My truck is really jacked up. My truck is destroyed. I'll be back with another truck. Excuse me. I don't know if you heard me burp. I might have. I think I started recording right after it happened, or during. I don't know. I don't know if I want to build. Okay. Comment down below in the comments if I should keep this Jeep like this, or if I should put a bunch of these body upgrades on it. So yeah, comment down below. Upgrades or no. You can just say, hey, modify the Jeep. Like, literally just say upgrade. Or, yeah, just comment down below. Thank you. Oh, yes. This thing looks weird, but I like it. I built it too, so I don't know why I'm commenting on it. Because you're an idiot. I am an idiot. Yeah, you're an idiot. Oh, thank you. Thank you for letting me know. Yeah, you're welcome. Hey, idiot, what up? Sorry. Okay, what I don't understand is the beefcake. The 4x4 original beefcake. Right here. It has different headlight style from the 6x6 beefcake. Guys, I have a problem. I can't stop buying new trucks. Very bad problem, okay? It's okay, I'm fine with it. Even though I should be fine with it. Oh, what's going on here? We're putting that? No. What? Fender looks better the way it is right now. Just my opinion. What? It's like I already got the aftermarket fenders applied to it. What? That's weird, whatever. Anyway, now we got a roll bar. I don't think I want the roll bar on this. I'll go ahead and buy those mods. Oh, I don't know why, but I like the detail of this game. Like, you can clearly see where the truck sits on the frame. You can see the gas tanks and etc. I feel like at the height this thing sits, it can already get some pretty big tires. Like, those tires are big enough for it right now. It just doesn't have a ton of ground clearance. So I'll lift it a bit. I don't want to go too tall because then it'll be like super top heavy. And then that'll be a bad thing. Those rooms don't look that good. Hey, doorman. What's going on? After that, you want to play some Roblox? I don't know. It depends. Icky. Pink for breast cancer, even though that I think that already kind of passed. If I go here, though, I can paint it all sorts of... Oh, I have to go here. You ding-dong. You dingus. That looks pretty good the way it is right there. Do we want any different colored wheels? Why not? Yeah. Yeah, I don't know if I'll buy a tank. Probably not. Alrighty. I'm already still recording. Watch you. The one. Oh, my god. We're not moving. It's gonna count us down. Does this thing not have an upgraded motor? What the heck? Or does it just not have diff locks? Here, let me go back and try this again. I'll be back, just keep going. Alrighty. Oh, it's already counting me down. I figured out the problem. The wheels were stuck inside the wheels were stuck inside the fender wells. Or the I don't know. The wheels were stuck inside the wheel wells. There we go. This thing looks like something out of Mad Max, kind of. Like, if I were to make it, like, kind of have a weird rusty paint job, then it would probably look like something out of Mad Max. Or if I were to paint it silver. I just realized if I wanted, I could make that one Mad Max monster truck. Huh. I know.
You saw this map?
I've already done. You remember that log roll map I was stuck on? Yeah, I finished that last night at 3 in the morning. Actually, I think it was 4 in the morning. So yeah, I was up till 4 in the morning last night, and somehow still made it. Somehow still woke up for school and everything. You know, I'm a strange kid. This video is also being recorded on November 9th, just FYI. Probably not gonna drop till later though. Also, there's a lot of not pre-recorded, but like, yeah, pre-recorded. What am I saying? There's not a lot, but like most of these trail trucks videos are probably gonna be pre-recorded because we're stuck, and I don't like that. Okay, that's not actually what's going on, but our axle is just so low. We're hung up on our axle. Okay, what if I take that approach? Come on, you have lockers. Get up this. Okay, I think we're kind of done. It doesn't seem to want to go anywhere else, which kind of sucks, but whatever. Oh, maybe? It was getting grouped there for a second. No, I think we're done. Yeah, we're done. So why are you still trying, Zach? Because I want you, and you should never give up? Really? I shouldn't give up? What? Well, that's just kind of what I do. I kind of just give up on everything. Hold up. I think I might have gotten a line planned out.
Dude, I almost tipped the freaking van.
Did you almost tip the freaking van, Joe? I mean, doormat?
Test course.
Oh. Yep, no, we're done, guys. So, I don't want that.
Yeah, I like this one. I can actually.
What are you doing? I'm tired. I wonder why. Not like you stayed up till 4 in the morning, you idiot. I'm just kidding. Let's see. We did not get that far at all. For some reason, here, I'll just go ahead and look myself up. There. Why is there 2 mental like kids? What? I'm the same exact. What? Huh? What? Anyway, I somehow got farther in the Drover Bucarero than I did in this, and yet this thing had like monster truck tires and everything. Like, would someone like to explain to me? Maybe I'll just make this thing back into a rat rod or something. I don't know.
Oh, I know.
Or maybe these tires are just really hard for it to pull along, and I should do smaller tires. But it looks so cool that way. I don't want to change it. Oh, I dropped the phone. Because I'm a genius. Ooh, I don't know why I'm singing. Alright, peace out, guys. Love y'all. Have a great day or night. And yeah, peace out.